Welcome to Get Glimpse channel, updating your BIOS, that is basic input or output system, or UFI is a critical maintenance task that can improve system stability, support new hardware, and fix bugs or security vulnerabilities. While a USB drive has traditionally been the go-to method, many modern systems offer more convenient ways to update your BIOS directly, often with just a few clicks from within Windows or a dedicated utility, and we are going to see how to exactly do that. So these are some of the important precautions before we get into it. First, have a stable power supply. Always perform a BIOS update with your laptop connected to its AC adapter and with a fully charged battery. So for desktops, use a UPS, that is an interruptible power supply if available. So a power interruption during the update can corrupt the BIOS and break your motherboard actually. Also, download from official sources. Only download BIOS updates directly from your computer or motherboard manufacturer's official support website. Also, identify your model and current BIOS version. Ensure that you download the correct BIOS version for your exact model and vision. Just check your current BIOS system in system information. So let's do that. We can do that by opening the Windows search bar right here, like this. Now type in msinfo32 or system information, and you will see system information here. Go ahead and click on open. In here, just scroll through this information and find the BIOS option. You can see right here. Just check on this and make sure that you are going to search for this on the website. Also, close all running programs, including antivirus software, to prevent conflicts. Backup your data. While a BIOS update rarely causes data loss, it's always a good practice to backup important files before performing any major system changes. Also, do not interrupt. Once the update process begins, do not turn off or restart or unplug your computer until it's completely finished and the system has rebooted. Now let's get to the methods. So we have two methods. We shall start with this first method, which is using a manufacturer's Windows-based utility, which is the most common and easiest. So most major manufacturers provide a dedicated software utility that runs within your Windows operating system to automate the BIOS update process. So these are the general steps which we are going to follow through. First, find your exact laptop or motherboard model number. This is usually on a sticker on the back of your laptop, on the motherboard itself, or in here in system information. Now open your favorite browser. I'm in here Google Chrome. Just go to the official support website for your computer or motherboard manufacturer. Mine is HP support, so you can just search for Dell support, Lenovo support, Asus support, MSI support, and many more. I've just told you mine is HP support, so I've just entered. In here, find the drivers and downloads. Navigate to the drivers, support, or downloads, any section with such information. So I'm just in here inside drivers. Now enter your model using this search bar here or product selection tool to just find your specific model. Also locate BIOS or firmware. Look for a category from all these options named BIOS or firmware. I have it here. Now we are going to download the latest BIOS update. So download the latest file here. This will usually be an executable file, that is .exe, designed to run in Windows. Double click the downloaded .exe file to run the installer. So just follow on-screen instructions. The utility will just guide you through the process. It might ask you to confirm the update, close even applications, or prepare the system. Once you are done, the utility will typically instruct you to restart your computer. The BIOS update process will then occur during the reboot sequence, often displaying a progress bar. Do not interrupt with this process. Now, after the computer reboots into Windows, you can check your BIOS version again in here using msinfo32. Just confirm that the update was now successful. This is almost the same steps for all manufacturers. So if it's Dell, if it's Asus, any, they will just follow almost the same steps. So just follow the same steps on your version, on your computer version. Now let's get to the second method. This is using UEFI firmware settings. So for systems with internet connectivity in BIOS. So some modern UEFI BIOS systems have a built-in utility that can connect to the internet directly, that is via either Ethernet or Wi-Fi if supported, to download and install BIOS updates. This bypasses the need for Windows or a USB drive entirely. So these are the general steps for that. First, access the UEFI firmware settings. So in Windows 10 or 11, just go to settings here. Go ahead and click on system. Now click on recovery from all these options. And you can see if I just scroll down here, we have advanced startup. And besides it, we have restart now. Go ahead and press on that. So after the reboot, navigate to troubleshoot and then advanced options and then UEFI firmware settings, then click restart. You can see we are just here. I don't have that option because I can't screen record, but you can see it here from these images. So locate now the update utility. Once in the UEFI BIOS interface, look for an option like EZ Flash, that is for ASUS, Q Flash for Gigabyte, M Flash for MSI, BIOS Flash Update for remote, and many more of these, or even a similar update BIOS or Internet Flash option with the tools or advanced menu. Now make sure that you are connected to the internet. Just select the option to update via the internet. You may need to connect an Ethernet cable or just select a Wi-Fi network and enter the credentials. Now once you are done, the utility will connect to the manufacturer server, check for updates and allow you to download and install the latest BIOS. So this is actually a nice one. So just follow the prompts, confirm the update and let the process complete. The system will likely restart multiple times, so don't worry. So this method is often considered safer by some as it operates outside of the Windows environment, reducing the chance of interference from background processes. So remember to be patient during the update process and never power off your computer until it fully restarts and confirms the update is complete. Yeah, that's all about it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.